Hello students, I Vaisali Tandil representing Bright Star International School, Billimora would like to explain you chapter number 5 Chotu's House of EVS. Our new chapter is chapter number 5 Chotu's House. Please consider the chapter number 4 that is given in your book as Chotu's House. Okay, in my books it's chapter number 5. So consider your chapter number 4 as a chapter number 5. Okay, that is our lesson number, new lesson, Chotu's house. The picture is given. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 pictures are there. From the 6 picture, we have to describe the story of a boy whose name is Chotu. Okay, you can see there is one boy, Chotu. Now these pictures describe the story of a Chotu. Let's see the story of Chotu's house. Our first picture is this. Okay, and second picture is this. Now first picture and second pictures are there. Now what we can see in the first picture, we can see there is a one boy. Okay, there is a one boy whose name is Chotu. You can see there is a one boy whose name is Chotu. So how can we describe his story? In first picture we can see one boy. Sorry, यहाँ पे सी रखने लिखना रह गया है. My mistake is there. We can see one boy. In first picture we can see one boy. Okay, one boy whose name is Chotu. His name is Chotu. Chotu came to Ahmedabad for the first time. Okay, and Chotu came to Ahmedabad. In which city Chotu came? Chotu came to Ahmedabad for the first time. Now in the second picture we can see there is in second picture there is a heavy rain is heavy rains are there. Boys are running towards their homes, and where is the Chotu? Here is the Chotu. Okay, in second picture we can see that children are running toward their home due to heavy rains. अगर आपके यहाँ भी बारिश होगी तो आप कहाँ पे जाओगे? घर में ही जाओगे ना. बाहर खेल रहे होगे तो दौड़ते दौड़ते घर में ही जाओगे. बट छोटू सीट ऑन दी कॉर्नर ऑफ द रोड. लेकिन छोटू कहाँ पे बैठा है? यहाँ पे बैठा है, राइट, ऑन दी रोड. एंड ही कवर हिमसेल्फ विथ अ क्लोथ और अ प्लास्टिक. और उसने कुछ ओढ़ के रखा है. ही कवर हिमसेल्फ विथ अ क्लोथ और अ प्लास्टिक. ही हैज़ नो प्लेस टू स्टे इन अहमदाबाद. वाई ही सिट देयर? बिकॉज ही हैज़ नो प्लेस टू स्टे इन अहमदाबाद. ही केम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. नो रिलेटिव्स आर देयर and no one knows him, so he has no place to stay in Ahmedabad. Let's see our third picture. You can see there is a third picture. There is a one pipe, cement pipe is there, and Chotu sleep in the cement pipe. When Chotu saw the pipe, he thought that the pipe was a very good place for him to stay. जब छोटू ने वो पाइप देखा, ओके, तो उसे लगा कि अभी मेरे पास तो कोई जगह भी नहीं है, तो मैं उसमें रहूँ तो अच्छी बात है. When he saw, he thought that the pipe was very good place, perfect place for him to stay, because he would not have to pay any rent for staying there. लेकिन उसने ऐसा क्यों सोचा? क्योंकि उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे, मनी नहीं थे, रुपीज़ नहीं है उसके पास. सो ही वुड नॉट हैव टू पे एनी रेंट फॉर स्टेइंग देयर. तो उसको पैसे भी देने नहीं पड़ेगी उसमें रहने के लिए. मोर ओवर नो वन वुड सेंड हिम अवे फ्रॉम देयर. और कोई उसे वहाँ से निकाल भी नहीं सकेगा. नो वन वुड सेंड हिम अवे फ्रॉम देयर. ही मस्ट हैव स्लेप्ट इन दी पाइप. और वो वहाँ पे सो गया. ओके, जब उसको पहले दिन वो पाइप देखा तो वो उसमें रहने के लिए सोचने लगा और उसमें वो सो गया. अपना जो भी बैग था वो लेके वो सो गया. ही स्लेप्ट. The pipe would protect him from strong winds, rain, cold and heat. Or the pipe would protect him from the strong winds, then rain, cold and heat. Let's see our next picture. Picture number 4. In picture number 4, we can see that Chotu cooked the food. Okay. Let's see our fourth picture. Chotu used the pipe as his home. Now Chotu used the pipe as a home. Chotu slept inside the pipe. Already we seen in third picture. Chotu slept inside the pipe. He cooked his food outside the pipe. Okay, we can see in the picture. Okay, he cooked his food outside the pipe. He also dried his clothes and stored the water in can outside the pipe. See, there is a cloth. He dried his clothes outside the pipe. Then there is a can in which he filled the water for him. Okay, for the use of drinking, for the use of anything else. Okay, the pipe would protect him from strong winds, rain, cold and heat. Right. So in the fourth picture we can see that Chotu cooked his food outside the pipe. He dried his clothes and he stored the water in the can. Let's see the another picture. Our picture number 5 and picture number 6. Two pictures are there. Picture number 5 and picture number 6. In picture number 5 there is a one another boy. Okay, you can see there is a one another boy. He is not Chotu, but just like Chotu. Just like Chotu, Monu has also come to Ahmedabad for the first time. His name is Monu. He also came to Ahmedabad for the first time. He has no place to stay. Okay, अभी छोटू की तरह ही है वो. उसके पास भी जगह नहीं है कोई भी रहने के लिए. Okay, let's see our next picture, sixth picture. In the sixth picture we can see that there two boys are sitting. One is Chotu and one is Monu. Okay, there is a pipe. Outside the pipe they sit. Chotu want a friend to stay with him. अभी छोटू को भी एक फ्रेंड तो चाहिए ना. अकेला अकेले तो रहना बोर हो जाता है ना. Chotu wanted a friend to stay with him. So Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe. तो उसने क्या किया, मोनू को इनवाइट किया कि तू मेरे साथ पाइप में रह सकता है. He invited Monu to stay with him in the pipe. Now both worked together, cooked food together and sat together and chat outside the pipe. अभी एक से दो हो गए तो क्या होगा, दोनों ने अपने काम भी बांट लिए, साथ में काम करते. They cook the food together, they eat the food, okay, and they sat outside for chat. Okay, you can see in the picture both the friends are sit outside the pipe and they are chatting. Both Chotu and Monu will benefit by coming together. और दोनों को ही बेनिफिट्स हो रहे हैं. ओके, दोनों को साथ में रहने से दोनों को ही बेनिफिट होते हैं. ओके, काम बच जाता है. दोनों काम करेंगे, उससे जो पैसा लगाएगा उससे दोनों की जो बचत होगी वो भी ज़्यादा होगी. हाँ. Now let's discuss some question answer about this chapter. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? We already discussed. Chotu think that it's a perfect place for him to stay. When Chotu saw the pipe, he thought that the pipe is a very good place to stay because he would not have to pay any rent for staying there. Next question. How did Chotu use the pipe? Chotu used the pipe as his home. He must have slept in the pipe, then cooked his food outside it and sat around it for a chat with his friend. We already discussed in the picture. Another questions. Into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? Okay, तो छोटू सोता भी है उसमें. He sleep inside, he cook outside, he dried his clothes, he filled the water and also there is one area where they sit. So Chotu divide the pipes and its surrounding area into following parts. Number 1, a place for cooking, a place for sleeping, a place for drying clothes, a place for storing water and a place for guests and friends. Our next question. In which part of this house would Chotu like to spend most of his time? Chotu would like to spend most of his time in the place kept for guests and friends. Okay, that is outside the pipe. Okay, there one shaded portion is there, and there he made a place where they sat together and chat. Next question. Why do you think Chotu invited Manu to live with him in the pipe? Our answer is just like Chotu, Manu has also come to Ahmedabad for the first time, and he has also no place to stay. Moreover, Chotu wants a friend to stay with him. Therefore, Chotu invited Manu to live with him in the pipe. छोटू की तरह मोनू भी पहली बार अहमदाबाद आया था, उसके पास भी जगह नहीं थी और छोटू को भी एक फ्रेंड चाहिए था. सो ही इनवाइटेड मोनू टू लिव विथ हिम इन दी पाइप. ओके.